In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Notes. Zoom Notes is a simple way to capture what matters while you're in a live meeting without juggling separate apps. Think of it as your built-in notepad that stays tied to the meeting and saves automatically, so you can stay focused on the conversation instead of worrying about where your notes will end up. Once your meeting is underway, look toward the upper right area of the Zoom window and find the option labeled My Notes. This opens the space dedicated to your notes for the current meeting. If your screen is small or the window isn't maximized, the control may be tucked away, so making the window larger can help reveal it. The idea is to have your notes just a click away, right where you need them. Click. Start taking notes to open the editing panel. You'll see a clean, distraction-free area where you can begin typing immediately. This panel lives alongside your meeting so you can reference what's being shared, listen to speakers, and jot things down without switching contexts. As you type, the notes are associated with the meeting, which makes it easier to find them later. Begin typing your notes in a way that helps future you. Capture decisions, action items, and any deadlines that come up. Keep entries short and scannable, and consider adding quick labels like decision, action, or follow-up to make important points stand out. If your version of Notes supports basic formatting, use simple headings or dividers to separate topics. You don't need to overthink it. Clarity beats perfection. Also, avoid writing any sensitive or personal information here. Treat these notes like a shared workspace, even if you're only using them yourself. You can keep the Notes panel open throughout the call, so you're never more than a glance away from what you've captured. Many people like to add a final summary at the end of the discussion, just a few lines that highlight who's doing what and by when, so the next steps are unmistakable. When the meeting ends, your notes are automatically saved to your Zoom hub. There's nothing extra to do, no manual save button or export required. The automatic save means you can leave the meeting confident that everything you typed is stored in your account and ready to revisit whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. Open My Notes. During the meeting, click Start Taking Notes, type what matters, and let Zoom save it for you at the end. Simple, organized, and built right into your meeting flow.